Your name is?
My friend Canada.
Okay. Good.
Your friend is Samuel. I contributed to the program.
Please go ahead, sir.
Yes. First of all, me sure so be a catcher on about Canada Japan say on fan into on support side. Ubianka Sanchez a competition. Ubi in a campaign, an internal election. The expectation is that Ubia the Nukwedi any about Trebe campaign. Yeah, we need power be the MPP and and Ubia so to me country and say Nanadwa fail because a real thing in our I live in UK, or Canada. Baby Abeco say election likely say president and our prime minister or Nobel election this year and our next year and our the previous year.
Yeah, because there's hardship everywhere. The world economy has changed. Yeah.
Yes, the economic architecture of the world and everything has been affected. There's going to be a reset. Everything is changing. Ghanaians mentimasi. Say, Obiso Bay leader, the question we have to ask is what is leadership all about? It's about solving problems. Ghana, your problem, and not any problem. Your problems. Your problem, one you have or you fit for purpose, so between solve your problems. The problem, most of the people, almost Mahama and Nkrofo, on the leadership position, they don't even want to admit that Ghana has a problem. All they do every day is about complaining about the problems. We all know that we have a problem. The question is, what are the solutions? The solution, Ebina has been spearheading that address system, Kekama Creative Ghana, any national identification has solved a lot of Ghanaian problems. And Unkwa has created a lot of employment. People don't talk about it. Look at the courier services. Ghana Post, any Numa creative, Uber, any boat. The address system, national identification system, all those things will not work. So you put structures in place. I bet me I've built
the economy. Samuel. Thank you.
Yet, okay, Medas.
Medas mean I know Bill Frozen can be Medas. Yeah, hello.
Okay, the person may a contribution to your program. You're doing a good job. Why are the program near Kama? Nobody is telling Kennedy Japan to resign. Why is that feeling of grandeur? I didn't know what that feeling they say. Why is nobody saying that Bawumia is rather being told to resign? So I say I didn't know why it's about Bawumia position. Now Kennedy Japan is desperate for the position. Nobody is fucking telling for cursing, but nobody is telling Kennedy Japan to resign. I'm growing from November is just at the corner. What is he scared of?
Yes,
why is he meeting people and making them exactly? You understand? Now you're making it seem like as a big pouch. Why is nobody begging Bawumia? Because people are now claiming so on the buy and say, I don't know why you say. Why aren't people saying Bawumia Mumia Panacho? That man is being asked to resign. Or be a heckle the man. Everybody in MPP is heckling the man to resign. But he's the man for the job. No, can be all boy. Those things say, and a port I have been come to the United States. Try shipping things to Ghana and see how much it costs to even pay from here to Ghana.
Even NGO staff. You want to do donation. If you want to, I pick some good from abroad to do donation. Keko, you have to pay. So everywhere.
I'm telling you, that's nothing is cheap here.
Yeah, that is
true. I wanted to ship something for my daughter over here, and not quite $1,500. That's what the US here is charging before it gets to Ghana. What are people talking about?
Faye, thank you.
They live in a different galaxy. The world is changing, and people must change with it. If you're in the United States, you would know that things have changed. Everything is changing. Bawumia and Nado have done a tremendous job. I was in Ghana. I have been in Ghana. I knew the economy in Ghana. Nowhere is cool. Baby, so people should stop lambasting and lamenting. Let me tell you something. The person who just called and said, Bawumia bon, Nanadwa bon, was Mahama not also in the government of NDC? Was he not part of Tamil? Was he not voted back into power? Bawumia will lead the show and he will run the game. He can go to hell and bend the sea.
Hey,
the party is coming to power.
May can help playing, brother. Nobody. Bawumia has never called no camp. Nana Akufo-Addo is not on the ballot, so he don't even care about this election. He doesn't even want to even partake in the next one that is coming. Nana Addo don't even want to vote in the next one coming. He doesn't want to be part of it. Into Oria, now I flat. Book Oria, now I flat. No one can say Nana Addo akoto aba because I don't know akoto aba Kufuor Ntoaba. I don't know Kufuor Ntoaba no. He said Nana Akufo-Addo something efie. This time want to be. It's move back to Akwa.
Nigeria needs a former president. What there is called there is what? He said, previous and another one president here. Now, yes, I'm fun. So we are talking about yes, I'm fun. Whoever is receiving, what did it I didn't know who he would be. Why would he do that? Oh, we can't want me to
tell me that's it. That's it. Opposition. Once the flag bearer of the party, and I took us to opposition. Keke. Charlie. Me that's it. Again, Mrs. Subio. Nana Akufo-Addo won kopa aspirant bi achew. Nana Akufo-Addo kan kire wo bi asa won stay down. MPP for mpani kan kire wo bi asa won step down. Eye tro. Camp fo bi say wo mo de wo mo mpene. E ma hwan nom e ma mbemane e ma me ye ne de ya ne free tete. From Kufuor no ma prenso say ya na ya no. Eduba Kufuor bi aprenso wo so wo ma ya ne saa. Enti se anya de ono apede a ene ode ne nsa ba bubo table so ene ode ne nsa ekobruburu table so e wo meeting ase se mo ya de bia de awon mo be ye bia ye beba beka mutie se mo ya de awon mo be ye no de bia yeso ye beba beka because mumu bi no ya hu se mo se da hu se munya enti se munya de ne ye nyina ye nko opposition yesu nti ye nko opposition ya Jumaden Mafia you are next. Yanko opposition. Yanko opposition in there, Yanko opposition China. Obian country will be as one step down. I'm telling you on authority. When Omu Bisawa was a fellas appear ne can here, me and me can here. Obian country will be as one step down. And you throw Nana Akufo-Addo no ballot way and fan who be o, especially the Omodi Abeyani. What in the baby awada? I said, ya pepe na abobobo no blows no. One peche cry. One peche wo hwaye. Na nka wanka sa wo stronghold so de anka ye kwa anka sabi de obedi police de fa ho ben. Wa wo stronghold de obey referee de anka fa ho ben. Obi anka nkire obi ase won si from MPP for ma mo mfama dwene nko ho eye tro. Akufo-Addo no party leader. Wa mo nko fa sa tape no mra. Tape ko ana party for ni gina o se si form no obi mra no one famra ne yenhwe baby girl fire with 2 minutes na me ntimi fa bi na na we ma fie sika papa so fire I love you guys too, man. I love you guys back. I love you guys back. Ope kwanye dwane wa we hunsa ade ni hunahuna na ope kwanye dwane akwegina se na o step one down. You are not stepping down. You are not stepping down. Who say stronghold no be afend na do wudiem. You are going all the way to the end. Obiansi from na MPP for mu ye mistake na mu kwaya se na we akokasa se nti ya disqualify no juma mebebe di mu JFK ni mu ni na be ya mu wa mo de mo ntwe Juba ye kebe sada akohan boys pa ade bia o ba be bro ma bo party office ho de bia ye be ma boys abe pai mo abo party office ho mo pa mo kon kan che obi so onsi form obi ansi form sorry madam Koso Nigeria for
petrol come on, not mean power lights. Black was sipa. Nana Satan no Sikana, baby, I know what to be rural and not a wire. That way empty. It's in your dear. Over to me a papa chair, a canny petrol, I'm a woman on my back power Ghana for light, I'm a woman. And so she has a bar. Satam na no ko wa be mo no mo social media no so no mo di watam ni na no mo na mo ye gospel o mo di sise ayi pay ye tua mo ka free yo e mo di ni free e ti se sia na nya dia o mo nya sika ni bia mo ye den edi afensu so ye sa ba bia mu a ye pesa Ghana for say nti se mahama kan ye pa na ye no kwasa bu mo dwene e ye kitua bia nche na mo rafi ade ya ampa. Yeah.